Hello, everybody. Welcome back. So this is this week's last class, and I hope you're still enjoying so far my explanation. And if you do have any questions, you can just scan the barcode. The code. So you can ask me with something like, for instance, you think, oh, the question is too hard or the question is too easy. So it is an easy way for you to find me. And so we still have our teacher assistant is Chris, and hello, Chris, and he's going to help us to understand how you are going to solve the problem with him together, okay? So let's start today's class. So today's class is about geometry, okay? So something we hate the most, you hate the most, okay? So Chris, can you help me to read the question first?
Okay. Problem 25. 1-inch squares are cut from the corners of 5-inch square. What is the area in square inches of the largest square that can fit into the remaining space?
Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. So we have a square, right? And on the side, there's a 5, 5, 5, 5, right? And because one cut, small angle is being cut, so that's why this is 3, 3, 3, and 3, right? So how big square, the largest square I can cut from this cross, most of the kids will think, okay, I'm going to do something like that, right? So because it is very easy, but it is 9, right? So 3 times 3 equals 9. Okay, 8. 那 Chris 你说对不对？肯定不对，对不对？ It's too, and plus this is number 25, right? It's the last question. Do you think it's too easy? 对不对？那我们就会发觉，如果我把这个线这样子啦，对不对？ If I cut like that, I'm going to do it much better. So if I do something like that, Chris, you're going to find out actually it's not so perfect. Yeah, I'm still having a what? I'm still having a square, right? Yeah. But this square, because this one is the 9 we have already calculated. But this square is way better. It's bigger, right? But the thing is, can you tell me this red part, are they equals to each other? It should be equals to each other, right? But the thing is, if we calculate this one and we calculate in times 4, then that is the area we try to get, right? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this is a what?
A triangle.
A triangle, very good. So triangle, we all need to do is the bottom and the height, right? So what is the bottom, Chris?
The bottom is 3.
And what is the height?
The height
is 1.
1.
Right, so 3 times 1 divided by 2 equals 1.5. It is one of the red triangles. So how many of them are there?
4.
4, very good. So the answer is 6-inch square. So I'm just using 9 plus 6 equals 15. So that is the last answer, 15-inch square. So do you think it's very easy? I think it is very easy, right? Yeah. So the thing is, instead, if we try to find out what is a measurement of this line, it is actually very hard, okay, very complicated. So when we are doing the geometry class or questions, Chris, try to add lines, okay? The lines will help you to find out the question much easier and much quicker. Okay, so if you are doing an online test and you find out it is very hard for you to do what? Very hard for you to do it on the screen, draw it on, okay? 把这个图啊画到你自己的纸上，然后来做。Okay, so this is my code. If you want to add me and ask me more questions, you definitely can do it. Okay, so Chris, I hope you enjoyed today's class. And that's it for today's class. Okay, so I wish you have a good, very good weekend. Okay, so bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.